foodies, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Life. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to share a Bengali traditional fish recipe, fish kalia. You can call it macher rosa. It is too delicious and yummy. I have enlisted in description box which ingredients I am using in this recipe. I have learned this recipe from my grandma. She is really too good cook. I learned from her so many recipes. So let's start this recipe.
For making fish kalia, taking 6 pieces of ruhi fish, 3 green chilies, 2 onion finely slices, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1.5 inch ginger cut into pieces, 7 garlic cloves, 2 onion roughly chopped, and 2 medium-sized tomato cut into cubes. Now going to marinate the fish, adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then mixing well. Marination done, leaving for 10 minutes. Now I am going to make a masala paste, taking a grinding container, adding roughly chopped onion, ginger pieces and garlic. Then adding approx 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and going to grind. Grinding done. Masala paste is ready. Now taking a karai, adding 3 tablespoons of refined oil. You can use mustard oil in this dish. Oil is hot now. Adding sliced onion, frying golden brown in color in high flame like beresta. It's done. Now turning off the gas and removing from kadhai. Now turning on the gas, in the same oil adding fish pieces, adding one by one, frying these. Frying done. These are golden brown in color. Now removing from kadhai. In the same way, frying remaining fish pieces. Frying done. In this remaining oil, adding half teaspoon of ghee for good flavor. Adding 1 green elaichi, 3 cloves, 1 inch darchini, 5 to 6 black peppercorn, golmorich, 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chili, stirring 30 to 40 seconds. Aroma is coming out. Adding onion, garlic, ginger paste that made before. Now stirring it. Frying it approx 3 to 4 minutes until it properly fry. Stirring very nicely. After 4 minutes, it completely fry. That time adding other masala powders. Adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, adding a dash of water. Now stirring it, frying this. It's taking time 1 to 2 minutes. Now frying done. That time I am adding 3 green chilies and tomato cubes. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, mixing well and waiting for 4 minutes. Tomato will be softened. After 4 minutes, tomatoes are softened now. Adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Now mixing continuously. Mixing 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, adding fried onion that I have fried before. Adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mixing well. You adjust sugar and salt as per your taste. Masalas are perfectly cooked. It takes time, approx 2 minutes, and that time I am adding 1 cup of water. Now mixing well. Adding fried fishes. One by one I am adding. Giving all fish pieces and waiting for a boil. Boil is coming, cooking 2 to 3 minutes more. Fish pieces will absorb all masala flavors. After 3 minutes, it is perfectly done. Now turning off the gas. Now I am serving it. Gravy is more thick now. Serving very nicely. It is too delicious. Please serve in lunch with plain rice and enjoy it.
Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So you try this recipe at your home, and if you want learn more fish recipe, please check playlist. Don't forget comment in comment box how is this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Share with your friends and family members. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Tata. See you soon.